it's me, earthmanbrick, and we're back with another TT combat build with Taco Van. And this comes with two sheets. Well, one sheet of MDF, and I think that's a sheet of card. No, wait, actually, is that an extra piece of MDF that's come out? Anyway, I'll open it up later and I'll figure it out. And have the little time-lapse in the corner somewhere. Anyway, I'm going to assemble that and show you once it's all assembled, and we'll take it from there. Bye for now. Hello there, and we're back. And yes, we're firing up the old taco truck. In fact, I should keep this close by because I haven't exactly followed the instructions here. But before I go on about the truck, I want to show you all the bits that we've not used. So we've not used this flap at the top here. I thought it was rather chunky and a bit, it wouldn't make a lot of sense. So, not used that. We've not used the wheels. Instead of using the regular wheels that look more like cogs, we've used wheels from this fake Lego set. Very kind of standardized stuff, and does most of the job, and you don't have to worry too much about painting it, just weathering the thing. So we've left off the wheels, and we do have a lot of extra little push outs as well. This triangle bit here and this bit of card is to make an alternate sign for the roof, which can slot in. So yes, lots of spares. We also have, from the empty sprue frames here, there's a 3mm MDF, which we can do a little bit with this, no doubt. And the cardboard frame, of which the lights are still on there. And speaking of the lights, I used rhinestones instead, because I thought they definitely catch the light a bit more. We've also used that reflective material in for the windows because there's absolutely nothing on the inside. In fact, you can see it on the picture here. You can see right through the wheel trims section there. I wasn't keen on this bit here where it's all crisscrossed. I thought that was a bit weird. So I flipped it around on both sides and just used bits of the cardboard frame there just to give it a bit more of a different kind of unique look. It's a bit more fitting. I've used a bit of the, the coffee cups, like the insulation bit, the corrugation, to make a shutter there, because I thought, that's good enough. Pop that there. The vent on the side here actually was a bit too chunky. It stuck out way too much because it was MDF, not card. So what I did was I took, part of the sprue frame here, part of the card for one of these lights. I've taken that out to use that to make the vent, and then I've stuck in some mosquito netting. So yes, that's it all assembled there, and I ran out of this material, so I just used card there, and I'll just paint it silver. I doubt anyone will notice. And I'm going to add some more rhinestones to the back here. Got plenty of oodles and canoodles there to maybe do some more lights at the top and whatnot. Maybe more so at the bottom here, because that's looking a bit empty. And maybe for the sides, I'm not sure, to make some indicators. I've also left off the the wing mirrors, because there was nothing to actually slot them into. There was nothing you could easily stick it in, and I thought, if I just glue that on, it's just gonna, if I hit it, it's just gonna come right off, no problem. So I thought, that's a bit of a problem for me, and I don't think it needs the wing mirrors. I think it looks fine as is. But anyway, enough about this. Oh, I've also left the roof detachable. Not that you need to, really. but more so to show you what it looks like on the interior. So you can see the coffee cup insulation there. You can see that you do have a little window here, so if you did want to tart it up on the inside, you could, but I mean, it's really not worth the hassle. I think it's fine enough as is. And I'll no doubt glue this into place. Oh, I've stuck it on wrong way around. There we go. So it's good that you have that option, and that makes for a great little handle. But anyway, I'm going to get painting it up. So see you again soon. Bye for now. Hello again, and we're back. And here it is, all done and dusted. Yes. Now, first things first, the signage at the top here. I've coloured this in just using Sharpie pens. And I think, yeah, it does a none too shabby job of it. Pretty perfect. I didn't even have to colour in the wrap part of the taco, or the shell, whatever you want to call it. The colour of the card that it came on just was perfect, so if it ain't broke, why fix it? Now, I've added on the rhinestones here for the lights. I think it just gives it that extra little touch. And yes, I've gone for a yellow and red kind of colour scheme because I wanted this van to stand out a bit more, because it's a merchant van. It's trying to sell something, so the more it stands out, the more custom it's going to potentially get. Just makes sense, really. And yes, I'm pretty happy with the overall result. I've added on little rhinestones there for the side for the indicators. And yeah, that's it done and dusted. I didn't bother painting the bottom. I thought, what's the point? You're never going to see it from that angle. But yes, that's a taco truck. So there's a picture. And there's what we've ended up with. Not bad. And anyway, that's the last of the TT Combat trucks, but vehicles rather. But we're still going to be doing vehicles. I've got a menagerie of War Cradle Scenic ones to try out. So more to come. But that's all I've got for you today. So thanks for watching, and bye.